Pivot table is used for making reports and for analyzing data. It makes our work very easy. For making pivot table, first select the table, go to Insert tab, click on Pivot table. Here you have to select the range, choose the place where you want your pivot table to be placed. Click on OK. Here you can see Pivot table field list. This list contains all the columns header from your data. Now drag and drop the header according to the report you want. Here, filter allows you to filter the data based on specific criteria. Columns defines column of your pivot table. Rows defines rows of your pivot table. Values is for when you want to do calculations. It's for numerical data. Pivot table provides dynamic way to analyze large database. Thank you.